Eliona, come back here with my card.
It's shopping spree time.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, Jam Fam, come hang with we. Jam Fam, come hang with we.
Yeah, I heard you.
Mommy!
1 second. Yes?
Mommy!
Yes,
You
Eliona.
said we're moving to Jamaica, but I have absolutely nothing to bring.
What do you mean you have nothing to bring?
We need to go on a shopping spree.
Where are you getting that money?
From your card, of course.
Oh my goodness. What did I do here? Eliona, come back here with my card.
It's shopping spree time.
So we're okay with that one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe we should just head to the tills then and see how much it's going to be when we check it out. So, nice device. I'm going to go over there and see. So the dresses are here and we need to just see the bike. Yep, just have black ones now. So we just need to find the size. I'm going to get some. Well, they have new top buttons in. We can look at. you want us to go around the other side and see? Because your favorite colors are over there. Oh. You going to get any of those? Okay, so bicycle shorts now? Yeah. Okay, so let's go over there now. We need a couple of them, don't we? Live vicariously through us on our adventure, or you can come along with us and enjoy the experience. Watch the videos, and if you like what you see, just press the like button and share it with somebody else who you think would enjoy these adventures.
Join our brand new adventures and come hang with me.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now, Jam Fam Tribe.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Jam Fam, come hang with me.